We're here at Target buying Sharon a chair. So it's back to school time, everybody. It's time to get Sharon a little chair, her little school office desk, so she can do her homework. Anyway, so we're gonna compare Target and Ikea to see who has the best chairs. All right, so we have this chair. What do you think?
I like it.
What do you like about it?
Feels comfortable.
All right, so we have this foldable chair.
It actually looks pretty cool. You wanna build
Think
it?
it'll be good? Should we build it? So it has these pockets here that go over. What's the deal? Is this the correct way?
It looks too low.
Something doesn't look right here. How are you supposed to do this?
And here I was thinking it was made for dummies.
Shit. Well, this one's easy. Oh, it's tied up there.
Does it show a photo of how it's supposed to be?
No, it doesn't. I don't know. I say we abort mission.
Yeah.
We don't want this kind of chair anyway.
I mean, it looked interesting, but then we couldn't get it to stay. Was there any more here? What do you think of this?
I don't like that. I'm sure that's not all of them, right? Maybe that is all.
I love it.
All right, we have some bean chairs here.
I think they're too small though, right?
It's back to school time. Maybe all the good chairs are just sold out. I don't know. Let's go to Ikea now and let's see.
Yeah, we should.
All right, you guys. Let's go to Ikea now. All right, we're at Ikea now. We're gonna look for another chair. Let's see what chairs Ikea has to offer now. Here's some office chairs that are $49.99. Whoa, this one's on sale. Good find. It's only $69.99, normally $149. It feels comfortable. I don't like the backrest. The backrest isn't as comfortable. It needs a cushion.
We'd have to get a cushion.
And then if you put a cushion on it, you won't have enough space to sit because it's a very narrow chair. We're here to get the veggie balls. Sharon's favorite. Today I'm gonna try a dessert. I wanna try something new today, so I think I'm gonna try the blueberry. This is a blueberry mousse with oat flakes and lemon. Honestly, that marzipan looks better, but what do you think? I'm gonna try this. Let's try it with some coffee. Or do you want tea? We're about to try our first bites of veggie balls. I'm about to try the first bites. First time trying the blueberry dessert. Pretty good. It's kind of like eating blueberry yogurt with some toppings, but it comes in like a little cake form. What do you think of yours?
I like the sauce.
What does it taste like?
Coconut curry. 3.
3 stars. I haven't tried it yet, but now it's my turn to tell you guys what I think of the veggie
I like
balls.
the quinoa.
So yeah, Sharon thought it was al dente. I thought it was undercooked and not al dente. Al dente is like cooked, but just a little bit undercooked. This was like way undercooked, so whoever's in the kitchen right now is doing a horrible job. I thought the vegan meatballs, their veggie balls, were pretty good. They had them in a seasonal sauce today called coconut curry sauce. Was pretty good. It was very similar to if you went to an Indian restaurant, but not as good. Yeah, the Ikea restaurants are okay. They're like 3 stars. They're not that great. They're just cheap food, you know. It's better than going out to eat fast food, but it's still not as good as a regular sit-down restaurant. So now we're looking in the kitchen section for a chair. Sharon found a chair that she likes.
I don't like it. It's too stiff.
I changed her mind real quick.
Good thing I tried it.
Now we're in the bedroom section and we're gonna see if there's any chairs here, but it looks like it's all beds. I don't think this is the best section for chairs. The next section is workspaces. I thought they should have called it offices because I actually didn't notice it at first. I was looking around for something that said office, but it said workspace on the map, so that's next. We're here in the workspaces. Now these are all the office chairs. So they have this one for $279. I think this looks good for office chairs. These office chairs are $199. This one's $229. Wow, look at this chair. Wow, I love it. It's only $69.99. Let me have a seat in it. Wow, it's so comfortable. It's very cushiony. It feels like
so
leather.
big.
This is probably fake leather because it's only $69.99, but it feels very comfortable. It leans back, has armrests. This is the same as the white chair, but in black. And it's also $69.99. So it's basically a faux leather with armrests. In this room, they have rave music.
Start dancing.
Looks like we found the living room area. This is where all the chairs are that we're looking for.
None of these look comfortable though. They all look very stiff.
All these chairs kind of look like they're there for decoration and not for actual comfort.
I want the armrest to be comfy too, so I could sit like that way also.
So you can sit on the sideways. Looks like we didn't find what we were looking for. Sharon wants a more comfy chair, like a big cloud chair, so her search continues. We're on our way home and then we saw this place called At Home. It's a huge discount furniture and home decor store. It's like a big superstore. We should find something here. Let's see. What do you think of this one, honey?
I think it's cool.
This one looks cool. What do you not like?
It's not comfy. The back is too low.